There are so many applications to exponential functions. In this example, we're going to invest $20,000 at 6% compounded interest, and it's compounded daily for 3 years. And they want us to find the amount in our account after 3 years. So it gave us clear information that this was a compounded interest problem. So we have to use the appropriate formula for compounded interest. Those formulas, the formula you use for those types of problems is A, amount in the account, equals P, principal amount invested, times 1 plus R, interest rate and percentage, over N, the number of compound periods per year, raised to the N times T, the amount of time passed, exponent. For this problem, it's with P, not A, but P equal to $20,000, R equal to 0.06, that's 6% in decimal form, and the number of periods. Now think about this. It is compounded daily. There are 365 days in a year, so the number of compound periods per year, N, is 365, and the time is in years, 3 years, 3. Plug those values into the formula, gives us A equals, in place of P, put 2,000, parenthesis 1 plus in place of R, put 0.06 over N, 365, raised to the N, 365, times T, which was 3. There it is. There's our answer. All we need to do is simplify it. And we'll do as much as we can without a calculator. And then at the very end, we'll pull up our calculator. Never touch that calculator in your homework until the very last step. In a lot of teachers' exams, you're not allowed to use calculators, so you want to see how far you can get without picking up that calculator. Okay, let's continue. A is equal to 20,000 times. Okay, we're going to write that once so we can have a common denominator for these two fractions. We'll have to add them. So we get a common denominator for 1. It's 365 over 365 plus 0.06 over 365 raised to the, well, multiply. 365 times 3 gives you 1,095. So that's 20,000 times, okay, you're adding fractions. Do the addition across the top over a single version of the common bottom. So it's 365.06 over 365 raised to the 1095. Now, if you're not allowed to use a calculator, you're done. At this point, you're finished. But if you are using a calculator, pick it up now, put the numbers in there, and round to the nearest cent, you'll get $23,943.99 in your account after 3 years.